Kwame plus on Sasan. I am Ashe Suti, who be something here, Papa. I'll forget your interview. And I told be Ghana for more corrupt and to be Biamun ska. Because most of you are corrupt. So you ask questions based on your attitude. My decision to caucus with the NDC is my decision. I make only idea about power. I left him and I went to the constituency. This is the first time anybody has won as an independent candidate in it was Central Region. Have you see that? It's a near Marco constituency, Aboka, AGC, NDC, NPP, then will be better me. Me my dream, and you'll be a dream. And I me my dream and tongue, me my dream, and you have a catcher, Mr. Minion, and none me. NPP for Omoya arrogant. You can also be arrogant. I can't say what you. Omoya hand time. You two about Omoya Humaswo, Omu Muadie, and don't know more loose seats, no more loose, no, Bebrebe. Ye to abana ye wie ye no na NDC was seats bebre but sada na de chin happen at force and frame say me nua me hia say oni en baba be ye adwuma na me say na say wo nya seats bebre o say emfa ho ye nya ni nyina kura ye pe dodo e de ebu oman NPP for Canada Japan ne me be tena se be kasa say ye nyina ye mbe join ye independent no ade chin no mo release statement say omo nsuma obi a omu mu ade o be tena ho ache enti no me omo yese na party di kwame from me yan fa hwe nkwame yan fa party nkwame from the second dey cry me ya the second dey kwame from yan fa party enti no party bia ni me from me madwen ne ebeboa Ghana ne ebeboa me constituency, and I think that the NDC is better placed to develop my constituency, to build my roads, me pay roads or constituency, me pay nsuo, and then 2024 be ko be na nsuo no johnmahama se obeye nsuo ama me nkrofo no mo nya nsuo anom friend is saying me schools okwa France oboase schools na ye aban be ye schools ama me hia say my development among Crawford. But I'm not joining any party as a card-bearing member of any party. I'm still Kwame Plus. I'm still independent. But for now, Pese johnmahama member ne kuye NDC. Omo di 8 years, omo some break 8 kuranka on NPP for transcendental. Yes. Yes. Send your was winning. Yes. This year will be try. Sanet here. Adia edwuma ye no enti se me Arsenal me support Arsenal ye wo me Arsenal ya show mo aso de bia ho na me wo eno ye football amambo de se ye kan sam kire NDC for no mo enti a ye be ye omo against na ye tu omo but na me kan what you say NPP ya na ye do on ba ye tu omo NDC ye pese omo bebu oman we no mo ye oman we na eye kra behwe na Ghana ye se ye kan no mo enti a se de ye be krokro omo. But you can't no moment here, but 2 years time no, you best done here. Bonsa Kuku Aza Beckham, now Professor H. Prempa Beckham, now Franklin Kudu Beckham, now Kevin Taylor, you bet Dania when you are seeing two almost. Ghana, you bet 2 more because you be a president, a buying papa. So we are the papa swa, you best support you almost. Now breaking the 18 now we no kind no moment to me no, you break your NDC. Yen support party bia. Anye hiane se Ghana ayeye me o ma me wiase sika dan ma we waste your time me di wi a ade chia mesan bo chi nto pa me ma me kora ba me ni aplus aka asem ni nyina ewie into kodua no ntumi nkotran ba ka say and the party as no ye general secretary of the party co-opposition go and sit down somewhere. I am the MP elect for Gumwa Central. You are the general secretary of a party that has collapsed. You are irrelevant and they are going to vote against you. Your political career has come to an end. Go and sit down somewhere. Ghana no one can be. You are a weak general secretary. You are a failed general secretary. Justin Kobia, I'm telling you, are a failed general secretary. You failed the party. Oba party now omo parliamentarians bebre wo de omo co-opposition. Anye John Boy crowd you win one term. My party na samu tu no. You are a failed general secretary and it is alleged that you demanded something before you joined the campaign. Me na neje ye madam fo. Enti no some nya wo jimi wo a I will start talking matters. Na neje is my very good friend. The last time that we were like when we feel I know you don't talk. Could you raise your voice but be your problem. What I say? Naneje is my very good friend. On the national security, as many issue. I was the one who was standing behind him. Me na me den call Captain Smart. Can the Japan friend the claim say mean castle. So you, I know you. When I didn't come and say, I'm telling you. So go and sit down. Don't bring yourself. Because me speed. I will do things that you don't want. You don't want anybody to hear. Shut up and go and sit down somewhere. I am a member of parliament. You are a nobody. Oba constituency, be organizing for. I still won in your stronghold. aplus is an institution on my own. When your honorable can know be Kibiama say who say me no better now I said now me and your honorable can Japan mu nyina honorable can catch them say mu nyina mu suru say mbaba manim obi no obetumi approach me, not even Akufo-Addo. Honorable can catch them say all of you are scared to approach me, and so he is the one, oh yeah, my boss, he can approach me. That is why you guys ask him to come and approach me. Have you ever approaching me? Yes, statement. I say now come on, won't find paper being fanchina. Honorable can catch him. Or see munina, or be a soon so baby, and of course, who could be a small boy, who be to have a minimum ever cancer then. Like aplus a winning election near penny for, and yet a Fred or Warren nominee, Freddie Blaine of Nabaga, who could be a small boy, who be to Mabacasa. Won't do mammy in Mabacasa. Because who could obey you, we are saying, a NPP platform, they do baby, I will be doing. Munina, all of you MPP platform never honor. And I did build a mobile do be a mudun Kwame Plus is an institution. I got up Gumo Obuasi since 1992. MPP winning Kuno that I won Obuasi. I won Esikuma. I won German. MPP has never won there. Kwame Plus is a stronger. I still don't get Yakura MP NDC chairman Oba Gumwasibu Obeye Dede Bekasaya. I won like 85% of the vote. A Plus is a strong guy. aplus is a strong guy. And I don't need NDC on NPP to do what I want to do. It's just that in 24 NPP, if you NDC, and I showed them a lot of respect. What I say? Yesterday, I called Justice Sai, and I asked Justice Sai that how can I want to sit alone in Parliament? I mean, me bought them was a Parliament, and Justice Sai told me that he gave me his own advice, which I don't think is okay to put out here. But he gave me a very good advice. And of course, is one of the best lawyers in Ghana. He told me the advantages and disadvantages. He didn't say do it or don't do it, but he gave me the advantages, the disadvantages, the so and so and so, career build, all of that. And I felt like the advice he gave me was perfect. What did I say? I'm a plus. Maybe not Parliament. It's no man find show with him over a statement in a plus. We have not approached him. Japan so and now me post now me yeah, you know. I told you that me I want to go and sit with the NDC, and so you know that Atufosin is meeting me today, and you know that the meeting by the time I meet you Atufosin office I may piano. You as now can you know I'll come and disappoint you. It will say oh yeah fast. With this statement, now I say, "Send a pay in Guasi, and in Guasi to me, and when be we will be uncle Dean what me, I'm still independent too. I'll meet people, I will caucus with somebody, but my brain in my head is independent. Nobody will be able to control Kwame Plus. So Kwame Plus is a non-conformist. I'm not going to Parliament on anybody's invitation. I'm going to Parliament because I did, because I worked hard, because God put me there, because the people of Gomwa Central put me there, because Ghanaians put me there. I'm unruly. Nobody can control. Kwame Plus is out of control. I'm doing what is best for Ghana, for Gomwa Central, and for myself. I have the bragging right. I won the election. You can cry a river. Kwame Plus won. And the street is so happy. The street is so happy. They are happy for Kwame Plus. The street is so happy. Because they have a guy in there. Asa, go and sit down somewhere. When you go, your political career has come to an end. Young man, you're the party, put out the party in the co-position. The youth must take over. Youth, the youth in the party, youth in Saudi go for one fair over your statement. Me honorable Ken, and your honorable Ken, me buno. Honorable Ken, me supporting. Inti no to me frame me make the question ko dis an komo. Esa an ka me mu hwan de betumi frame me dis an komo. Mu hwan. E we nya na papa be frame me chance. Obe frame no, ma me kan some ekosi ye che. O frame no. The offer that Honorable Ken put on the table, he went to discuss with Afenyo. Go and ask Afenyo Markin if Honorable Ken has not discussed with him. And yesterday he got back to me. Don't joke with aplus. Me would me do level be penama teaching. Yesterday, Honorable Ken got back to me and said that almost win here, omun to me yet, but win the other yaman, way soon almost a son. omo dey say standing omo a new standing order say kire say ade we no say na committees no be say and therefore this is what he got back to me to tell me the things that I should do. We have a statement. No say Jimmy say